Madam Joan Wagner, Charge d'Affaires, U.S. Embassy in Bangladesh, to deliver convocation speech. Ladies and gentlemen, the convocation speaker.
Wow! Assalamu alaikum. Good afternoon, everyone. Thank you so much for that incredible greeting. Upastit shobuke. Assalamu alaikum. Medbon shubo shuka. Wait, there's more. Ami Eastern University. Shusto shomaborton onushtane ashtepere shomaniko botkechi. Still a little bit more. Apnader shobar gorbito ebon atto bishashi mukguru deke ami atanto anondito. Honorable Deputy Minister, Vice Chancellor, Chairman of the Board, Chairman of the University Grants Commission, board members, trustees, deans, faculty, students, parents, students, honored guests all. I am absolutely delighted and honored to be here with you today as part of this convocation. My warmest congratulations to each and every one of you. Graduates, you have done a remarkable thing. For several years now, you've made good on a profound commitment to focus, to work hard day after day, to participate, to learn, to innovate, to meet deadlines. And you should be very, very proud. This new knowledge that you've acquired, these insights that you've discovered, and these insights are not just about what you've been studying, but they're insights about yourselves as well. They're very powerful, and they will shape the rest of your life. And that means that together, collectively, you can shape the life of your country. And that's pretty heady stuff, right? Think about it. The choices you make now shape not only your lives, but the lives of Bangladesh and the region, and maybe the rest of the world. With a few examples, with a degree in business, new business, you can create jobs that change the lives of others. Your legal studies degree, this means you have the power now, you have the skills to help strengthen and enforce the laws, for example, to protect the safety of workers. And that means you can save lives. You can be part of a force that ensures that justice is one of the deepest, most profound, most promoted yourselves, to contribute, to give back. The world isn't always an easy place to live in, but you, right now, are living in tremendously interesting times, in a tremendously dynamic country. Bangladesh is on the cusp of becoming a lower middle income country, and that's a remarkable success story. So my question for each one of you now is, what will you do to contribute to that success? And as you think about that, I'd ask you to keep a few things in mind. First, in many important ways, you are now role models for many, many young people. Many young people who are trying to make choices about their own life paths. Please take this role model role seriously. Use your choices to inspire others. And inspiring others doesn't mean you have to save the entire world, that you are only accomplished if you do things on a grand scale. By all means, do something on a grand scale if that's what you wish, but please remember this. One of the biggest, most important signs of success, genuine success, is that you guard your own integrity. Next, and while I'm speaking to the men and the women here, this message is particularly for women. We've all heard the word empowerment, right? But I'm a little skeptical of the traditional concept of empowerment, because if I empower you, this far in your lives already, by gaining your degrees, by showing you have what it takes. You've already shown you can do exactly that. And I hope you will remember that you have your own power. You can develop, you can exercise as you meet the inevitable challenges that come with being a responsible adult. And third, even if you do recognize, develop, and exercise your own power, you very definitely do not do it alone. You've come this far with the support of some very, very important people. Your parents, your grandparents, your brothers, your sisters, your aunts, your uncles, your teachers, your best friends. They too have made sacrifices to help you. So let's take just another quick minute to sincerely thank them for being there for you all. They're so proud of you, and I know you are equally proud of them. Right? Right. Fourth, I'd like to strongly encourage you to be open to new and unpredictable adventures. This openness has really given me an incredibly rich life that I didn't even know existed when I got my bachelor's degree. I studied marketing, and then I studied law, and then one day one of my friends said something about being a diplomat. And I didn't know it at that moment, but that comment changed my life. Where I come from, in the very middle of the United States, frankly, we don't grow a lot of diplomats there, but here I am. And I've had the honor, it's been such an honor to represent the people of my country on 4 different continents, from London and Belfast to NATO headquarters, to Burundi, to Ukraine, to Afghanistan, to Karachi, and now here in this dynamic, vibrant, beautifully green country of Bangladesh. It has been an enormous privilege, but it would never have happened if I hadn't been open to new adventures, so I hope you will be too. And one such adventure might be studying in the United States. And as has been mentioned here, 2 years ago, there were about 7,500 Bangladeshi students who studied in the US. And we're not allowed to release the numbers just yet. Stay tuned for another few days. But the number has grown considerably since last year. And about 60% of those students are graduate students. And these students, they come back, they tell us that spending time studying in the U.S. allows them to develop international experience and perspectives. And this strengthens their global outlook. It further develops critical thinking skills, and these skills, as you know, are so necessary if we're to address the very complex issues and challenges facing us here in Bangladesh, in the region, and the rest of the world. But it does something else that I think is vitally important as well. It brings our two countries closer together. As Bangladeshi students learn more about the United States, and Americans in turn learn more about Bangladesh, what we're struck about is that there's far much more that unites us than divides us. And returning students become translators and interpreters of one country to the other, and that enriches us all. So, if you're interested in studying further in the U.S., I invite you to visit our Education USA advising centers. We've got one at the U.S. Embassy's American Center. We've got one at the Edward M. Kennedy Center. We've got one at a center in Chagram. And meet with our advisors there. They will give you comprehensive, no-cost guidance. They'll help you identify the universities that are best for you. They'll help you with a financial plan, admission test prep, and the admission process. So I hope you'll take advantage of that. And in closing, today is a marvelous, marvelous culmination of years of effort. It's a day of great celebration. Keep believing in yourselves. Keep thanking those who sacrificed to get you this far. Keep using the same commitment that got you to this point to continue to reaching for your future as you define it. আপনাদের সবাইকে আবারও ধন্যবাদ আমাকে আমন্ত্রণ করার জন্য এবং সবাইকে অভিনন্দন তাদের উজ্জ্বল ভবিষ্যতের জন্য অনেক অনেক ধন্যবাদ।
Thank you, madam, for your excellent and very enjoyable Bangla speech for all of us. We will now proceed to the conferment of degrees. The Honorable Deputy Minister will confer the degrees. We begin with the Faculty of Arts, Eastern University. I now invite Professor Tahmin Ahmed, Dean of Faculty of Arts, to present the candidates of the faculty for conferment of the degrees. Dean of the Faculty of Arts.
I, Professor Tahmina Ahmed, Dean, Faculty of Arts, request all the